Did you know that over 70% of swing traders fail within their first year? But with the right funded account, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Swing trading has always been a fascinating concept for many traders. The idea of capturing short-term market movements without having to dedicate yourself to constant monitoring is incredibly appealing. And why not? It offers a great deal of flexibility, allowing traders to balance their trading activities with other aspects of their lives. Plus, the potential for profitability is undoubtedly substantial. But what exactly is swing trading, and how can you make the most of it? One of the primary reasons traders are drawn to swing trading is the freedom it provides. Unlike day traders, who are glued to their screens all day, swing traders can set their trades and walk away, only to return when the market has moved in their favor. This approach also allows traders to avoid overnight risks, which can be a significant source of anxiety. In addition to flexibility, swing trading offers traders the opportunity to capitalize on short-term trends. By identifying these trends and making precise entries and exits, traders can enjoy consistent profits. Of course, it's not without its challenges, and we'll get into those in just a moment. Many traders are attracted to swing trading because of its relatively low barrier to entry. You don't need an extensive trading background or a massive bankroll to get started. With a solid understanding of the markets and a bit of discipline, anyone can start swing trading and potentially reap the rewards. However, as appealing as swing trading may be, it's not without its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles swing traders face is market volatility. The markets can be unpredictable, and sudden shifts in direction can be disastrous if you're not prepared. Timing entry and exit points is also a significant challenge. Get it wrong, and you could be left with a string of unprofitable trades. Another common issue swing traders face is managing risk effectively. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a potential trade, but if you're not careful, you can quickly find yourself over-leveraged and exposed to significant losses. And let's not forget about emotional trading. Fear and greed can be powerful forces, causing even the most experienced traders to make impulsive decisions. Swing traders also struggle with finding the right balance between trade frequency and quality. You want to make enough trades to generate consistent profits, but you also want to avoid overtrading, which can lead to burnout and decreased performance. Then, of course, there's the issue of trade management. Once you're in a trade, how do you know when to adjust your strategy or exit the trade altogether? In addition to these challenges, many swing traders struggle with staying disciplined and patient. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a trade, but if you're not careful, you can start to make impulsive decisions, which can be disastrous. Despite these challenges, many traders are drawn to swing trading because of its potential for profitability. With the right strategy and tools, it's possible to generate consistent profits and build a successful trading career. So, how can you simplify swing trading and overcome these challenges? One approach is to focus on technical analysis. By studying charts and identifying patterns, you can gain a deeper understanding of market movements and make more informed trading decisions. Another strategy is to use chart patterns to identify potential trades. From head and shoulders patterns to wedges and triangles, these formations can provide valuable insights into market sentiment and direction. In addition to technical analysis and chart patterns, many swing traders rely on indicators to help them identify potential trades. These can include anything from moving averages to RSI and Bollinger Bands. One of the most effective tools for swing trading, however, is a funded trading account. By providing access to more resources and reducing financial risk, a funded account can be a game changer for swing traders. A funded trading account can provide swing traders with the financial security they need to focus on their trading strategy. Without the pressure of having to constantly worry about their account balance, traders can devote more time and energy to analyzing the markets and making informed trading decisions. In addition to reducing financial risk, a funded account can also provide access to more resources. This can include anything from advanced trading software to mentorship programs and trading communities. But how does a funded account actually work? Essentially, a funded account provides traders with a pool of capital to trade with. This capital is typically provided by a trading firm or institution, which then shares in the profits generated by the trader. One of the primary benefits of a funded account is that it allows traders to focus on their trading strategy without worrying about the financial implications. This can be particularly useful for swing traders who often need to be patient and disciplined in order to succeed. By providing access to more resources, A funded account can also help swing traders improve their skills and knowledge. This can include advanced training programs, personalized coaching, and even access to proprietary trading tools and software. In addition to these benefits, a funded account can also provide swing traders with a sense of accountability. By working with a trading firm or institution, traders are often held to a higher standard, which can help them stay disciplined and focused. In the world of swing trading, a funded account can be a powerful tool. By reducing financial risk and providing access to more resources, it can help traders overcome the challenges of swing trading and achieve success. So, to recap, swing trading is a fascinating concept that offers traders flexibility, potential profitability, and the opportunity to capitalize on short-term trends. However, it's not without its challenges, including market volatility, timing entry and exit points, and managing risk effectively. By focusing on technical analysis, chart patterns, and using indicators, swing traders can simplify their trading strategy and overcome these challenges. And with the right funded account, traders can reduce financial risk, gain access to more resources, and improve their chances of success. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about advanced trading strategies, be sure to check out our next video. And don't forget to share your experiences with swing trading in the comments below.